In this lesson, we move beyond identifying misinformation and begin discussing something deeper: ethics. When we investigate, report, or share information, important ethical questions arise. What is responsible? What is fair? What could cause harm? Today, we explore the ethical debates surrounding media and digital investigations. By the end of this lesson, you should understand the major ethical debates in modern media. We will examine issues like consent, journalism responsibility, harm reduction, and privacy. More importantly, you'll learn how to apply these principles in real-world situations, especially in digital environments and open-source investigations. Ethics in media. The rise of digital tools and OSINT, open-source intelligence, has made information easier to access than ever before. But just because information is available does not mean it should always be shared. This has intensified ethical debates. Media professionals and digital investigators must constantly balance public interest with respect for individual rights. Consent and ownership in ethics. One of the most important ethical principles is informed consent. People have the right to understand how their information, images, or statements will be used. Without informed consent, sharing content can become exploitative. Another key issue is data ownership. Who owns personal data? The individual? The platform? The organization collecting it? Ethical challenges arise when personal information is used without clear permission or transparency. Case examples. Ethical dilemmas often appear in real-world cases. For example, journalists may expose sensitive information in the public interest, but at what cost to personal privacy? In OSINT investigations, publicly available data can still impact someone's safety or reputation. These cases remind us that ethical decisions are rarely simple. They require careful judgment. Ethical reporting. Ethical journalism is built on responsibility and integrity. A responsible journalist verifies information before publishing and avoids sensationalism. Protecting sources is equally critical. Many important stories come from confidential sources who risk their safety to share the truth. Maintaining confidentiality is not just professional, it is ethical. Ethical reporting standards in journalism. There are 3 core standards in ethical journalism: accuracy, fairness, and impartiality. Accuracy means ensuring facts are correct before publication. Without accuracy, public trust collapses. Fairness requires presenting multiple perspectives and avoiding biased portrayals. Impartiality means keeping personal opinions separate from reporting, allowing audiences to form their own informed judgments. Harm reduction. Harm reduction is about minimizing negative consequences. Even when reporting truthful information, media professionals must consider: could this cause unnecessary harm? Special care must be taken with vulnerable populations, including children, victims of violence, or marginalized communities. The long-term goal is to create media practices that promote safety, dignity, and resilience within society. Privacy concerns. In digital investigations, privacy is one of the most sensitive ethical issues. Just because information is accessible online does not mean it should be publicly exposed. Ethical practice requires balancing investigative goals with respect for individual rights. Responsible media work always asks: is this necessary? Is it fair? Could it cause harm?